Welcome back, and it's time now for some international news, and it's actually regional because Guyana's government says 10 bodies have been recovered from a ferry that capsized off the country's coast over the weekend with 133 people on board. Dozens of people are feared dead after the ferry capsized late on Saturday. Now, authorities suggested that inaccurate passenger lists and drug use by the crew might have contributed to the situation. No survivors have been found since Saturday afternoon, when Guyanese authorities announced they had rescued 67 people, including 15 children. The authorities said the captain and other crew members are now in police custody. Officials say air traffic control received a distress call from the ferry around 11 p.m. on Saturday, triggering a search and rescue operation.
So my favorite was England versus Mexico. What was your favorite moment?
You know, now that you've planted a thought in my head, that was actually my favorite moment of the World Cup as well, because I'm an England fan, and that match was the match where I really believed we were gonna go to the final and bring it home. Didn't happen.
Come home, and here comes Renata, who's coming home to this desk.
You're going home.
Can I see your band?
He's actually Spain, right?
Oh,
Yes.
so you didn't just buy this yesterday? Or
No.
I
I have evidence.
Oh, you have
Well,
evidence.
I called this World Cup 2 years ago from we won a Euro, so.
Okay, Rose eyes, but
Spaniards.
please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.